Okay, well question 4C, I should say, 4C, has got a little bit more going on with it. It's got three fractions here. And notice there's a bunch of binomials in the numerators. Okay, so let's just take a quick look here. Again, there's no variables in the denominator, so this really shouldn't be all that challenging. We just got to find a common denominator, some multiple of those, and I think it's pretty clear between 5, 2, and 10 that the common denominator is 10. So what I need to do is I need to change these two denominators right here to 10, and I do that by simply multiplying, in this first case, numerator and denominator by 5. Remembering, of course, to distribute that 2 backwards here. So this becomes 12x plus 6. For this second one here, the second term here, I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 5, again distributing the 5 through, but also distributing the negative through. Okay, there is that negative in front, and you have to remember that. Remember, the powers that be are assuming that the vast majority of you will not do that properly. So this becomes negative 10x minus 5. And then over here, this final term here, it already had the proper denominator, so really all we got to be concerned with is properly distributing that negative in front amongst those terms to get negative x plus 3. And now we just put them together. 12x minus 10x, remember putting together like terms, 12x minus 10x, that leaves me with 2 x's, minus an x gives me just a single x at the end. 6 minus 5 is 1, plus 3 gives me a constant of 4 over 10. Okay, now at this point right here, I would look to try to simplify this further if I can. I can't do any factoring here, and please, 4 and 10, granted, the two numbers themselves share a common factor of 2, but you can only cancel factors. 4 is not a factor. Okay, it's an addend in there. Okay, the whole term here is x plus 4, or sorry, the numerator is x plus 4. 2 is not a factor of everything in the numerator, so this cannot be simplified any further. And additionally, because there's no variable in the denominator, there's no restrictions.